Hi guys, welcome to Facts for Free channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. 5 hacks to build discipline. So make sure to watch the full video. You will go out on personal quests throughout your life, and developing self-discipline is one of them. You'll probably encounter some difficulties, and it will probably be difficult every time. What a surprise. However, you can always have a few tricks up your sleeve to master it, get better at it, and use it to your advantage. Here are 5 tips for developing self-discipline. Hack 1. Use early periods of your willpower. As a result of our tendency to procrastinate on some of these tasks, many of them, and put them off until later in the day, we often start the day feeling overwhelmed by the number of things we need to get done. Large error. Why? Because each of us has a limited supply of willpower. It gets us through the day. Work on priorities early if you want to concentrate on them. Before lunch, complete the task you have been putting off throughout the week. Prepare a plan for the upcoming school or work week in advance, because you'd rather do something more enjoyable. Finish the homework you've been putting off. When it's time to relax and wind down in the evening, you'll be happy that you did. Hack 2. Keep things straightforward to create new habits that stick. We require self-control, time, and practice to develop any habit we want. Quite intimidating, huh? You put it in that position, so now you feel like you should be doing something challenging when you'd rather be relaxing. If you are reading this, you may feel that it is time to modify some aspects of your life. Start working out, cut back on dining out so frequently, get more rest, spend more time with family, and watch less TV. Start small and simplify your change by performing a 10-minute mini workout at home this month instead of signing up for a gym membership. Start going to bed 15 minutes earlier than normal, so you have time to unwind and decompress with a good book or relaxing music. So that you won't have to rush in the morning, prepare and pack your lunch the night before. Hack 3. Start saying no more frequently. You're squandering time and energy on things that are not that significant in the long run if you've ever found yourself short on time to do tasks that you need to complete or that you would want to have time for. You shouldn't consume twice as much cake for the next 3 days, just because there is leftover cake in the refrigerator. When a friend asks if you want to go party while you're in the middle of finishing an assignment, you shouldn't immediately drop everything and go. Recognize your priorities. Pay attention to them. Recognize your priorities and the motivations behind your efforts. Then you won't be as likely to overlook the important things for your development, both personally and professionally. Hack 4. Prepare for pushback. In other words, prepare in advance for those times when nothing seems like a good idea to do because you're sluggish, worn out, or in a foul mood. First, remind yourself that whatever you're experiencing is an emotional response that will pass. Second, fight the impulse to stop doing something you know is healthy for you. It doesn't necessarily mean it won't improve your life, just because it's uncomfortable right now. The third tip is to cultivate a growth mentality. Rather than telling yourself that you are just not good enough to learn a new language or begin training karate, give yourself the time to do so. How much you can do when you retain an open mind will amaze you. Hack 5. Have self-confidence. Self-control exercises aren't just for the privileged few. You could be outgoing or reserved, a college student, a parent of 2 children, an entrepreneur starting their next phase of their profession, or any combination of these things. It's less about what you're doing now and more about how you picture your life going and what you can start doing to develop into the best version of yourself. Instead of letting circumstances and outside variables determine how you will act, taking control of your life's journey is crucial. The most crucial thing is to believe. Recognize your own abilities. When you do, self-control will develop into a talent you may use in a variety of aspects of your life, including your relationships, profession, and even your studies. It will direct you, serve as a reminder of the objectives you've set for yourself, and help you stay focused on the possibilities that your future holds. So that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching Facts for Free. Use the comments section below to tell us your thoughts about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.